The atmosphere is the layers of gas that surround a planet or a star. Our atmosphere appears like a soft blue glow around the Earth. In some painting techniques, perspective depicts depth and distance on the flat surface of a piece of paper. Perspective gives the viewer the sense of the three-dimensional space that is depicted in the scene or surrounds an object. A landscape is often a large and vast area stretching from the earth to the sky, looking out to a horizon. When we look out over the landscape, the things closest to us appear bigger and the things further away from us appear smaller. When painting a landscape, we want to give a perspective to the viewer of the depth and distance of this area, to give a sensation of the land moving away from us, or the sky stretching high above us, or the trees in the faraway distance. Painting this perspective will enable someone who sees your landscape painting to understand the largeness of the area you are painting. Atmospheric perspective creates a sense of distance in a painting by utilizing the fact that atmosphere makes an object appear more blue in the distance. So when we are looking at these mountains, we can see how the atmosphere has impacted their color. The further away the mountains are, the more atmosphere lies between us and the mountain. Therefore, the blue atmosphere becomes more visible and the mountains appear more blue. In Southeast of Mount Sonda by Ivy Parucha, we know the large tree at the front of the painting is closest to us. We know this because Ivy has painted it large and we can see the detail of the bark and the leaves. As the trees get further away from us, Ivy has painted them smaller and with less detail. In these trees, we can see their trunks and the shape of their leaves, but not the detail of the bark. And even further away from us, the trees appear as small circles. We see even less detail. And right at the back here, these trees appear very far away in the distance, and we see them as just a dash of colour. Ivy has used the scale of the trees, so the size of the trees, to show depth in the painting. Ivy has used atmospheric perspective in this painting. If we look, we can see she has painted the mountains up the front a vibrant red. To the left, the second mountain is a warm purple, and these mountains that are furthest away, she has painted them blue. So the mountains become more blue and lighter in tone as they get further away.